I just installed this Honeywell touchscreen thermostat, and I noticed that the fan was staying on when it was in auto mode, fan auto, and when the system was in off, the fan would stay on, which is a little weird. It took me about 5 minutes to figure this out. But what we have here is red down here, and one's for the heater, one's for cooling, so I shorted them. This is power. The second one up is the white, and the white is heat. It controls the heat. The next one is yellow, that controls the AC, and the top one is green, and that controls the fan. So I checked the levels on them, if it was getting power, and I found that the voltage potential, so there was 0 volts approximately to all 3 control lines. Even when it was taken off, the control unit was taken off, the fan was still running, so I knew there was something wrong. The control line wasn't getting power, the fan shouldn't be on, but it was still. So the problem wasn't with this. So I went upstairs and discovered what the problem was. So, you got the control lines coming up here again. You've got the power, it should be red, that runs downstairs, and the green, which is what the thermostat uses to control the fan. So basically what the thermostat does when it wants the fan to turn on is it shorts them. As you can see, the fan turns on. And as soon as I disconnect those, the fan should be de-energized, turn off. And what the problem is, if you follow the green wire back, it comes into this thing. And if you notice, if I barely touch it, the fan will turn off. So my best guess is that's a relay right there, and it's not de-energizing when it should. It has a sticky relay mechanism of some sort. So I've got to find the part number on this guy, order a new one, and stick it in and hope it works. There's also information on this, which I took off, so you'll probably have it. So anyways, I hope that helps you guys out.